Today we are doing half up, half down styles that's perfect for fall. The style of choice today comes from Myfirstwig. The link will be below in the description box. Straight out the box, the wig is packaged really good. It comes with a little bit of accessories you can use to style your wig. This wig is 100% Malaysian hair. It is a brown color, slight wavy texture, 13x6 cap, 130% density, which is perfect for doing updo hairstyles, and the texture is silky, and the length is also 20 inch. So they did deep bleach the knots already, and it comes with this beautiful pre-plucked hairline. I'm going to start off by adding a little bit of serum to the hair. This hair is so silky, like there's no tangles literally. So I'm using a little bit of serum just to give the hair a bit of weight before I curl it. But already you can see that the density and everything is perfect for any type of style that is going to be pulled up, or if you want that everyday comfortable look. Let's start by cutting the lace off. We talk about this all the time, how important it is for the ear tab area to lay flat. I'm also going to adjust the strap in the back to make sure that the wig is secure. Now with this particular lace, it does blend very well, and I'm going to be using the Extreme Hold by Kiss Colors. This is a good hold if you are going to pull your wig up. It is a temporary daily wear, so you definitely can get at least 2 days out of it. But I highly recommend to tie down the hairline, but the hold is pretty good for this. Now, if you want to use glue, that will be more secure, especially when pulling your hair up. You don't want your wig to slip. So yeah, I'm also going to take some of this melting spray, and I'm going to apply that on the lace to make sure that when I tie everything down, the lace is completely melted into the skin, because if you're pulling your hair up, you don't want to see any lace around that hairline. All these products will be linked below in the description box. And I just recently put up a video on that melting spray, so if you want to go check out the full tutorial, it will be linked at the end of this video, or you can just check my YouTube channel. Alright, so what I'm doing now is making sure that hairline is pressed. I'm drying it on cool air, and I'm going to tie it down for at least 15 minutes, or the majority of the time that I'm styling the hair. Alright, so I curled the hair. Now, if you go over to my Instagram, you'll be able to see, you know, my whole get ready with me type of video. So follow me on Instagram if you do not. But this is what the hairline look like. I'm just going to clean it up a bit with a bit of water. After that, I'm going to take my hot comb and just pull the hairs out of the glue, along with brushing it with the edge brush. This way it is no sticky hairs just stuck there. I love the fact that this did not flake on me when I did this, which is very important because you don't want white residue or flakiness on the hairline. Now, I did create a short video on my channel showing you guys how to clean up next day hairline, so definitely check it out. So this is the first style, of course, which is definitely just standard. You just wear it down. The hair is absolutely gorgeous on this wig. The color is beautiful. It has this brown highlights going through it that's perfect for fall. So if you are looking for that fall color, this wig matches the season very well. I like it so much. So let's get into the next hairstyle. Now, this wig is so unique. I've never dealt with the 13x6 lace that you are able to pull it all the way up in the back. I'm gonna show you that in a second. Now, this is just a standard cap, and so as you can see, you can part it all the way toward the middle part of your head. Now, you don't get as much parting on the sides. Being able to pull this up into a ponytail makes up for that, okay? But overall, we're going to start with the first hairstyle. This is just a simple half up, half down style. I'm starting with just separating the hair from the front and the back. You can add curls in the back if you want. This video is just to give you some ideas. So I'm just going to put this into 2 ponytails, and just dealing with the hair itself is so silky, it's so soft. I would recommend using like flexi rods to curl the hair, or using a good holding spray, because the texture of the hair is really silky, so the curls don't hold completely throughout the day, but the texture is just so gorgeous. I did create a bit of edges here just to make it really cute. The hair I smoothed with just the hot comb. I didn't put any gel or anything on it, so I didn't want that stuck like gel hard look. I wanted it to look very natural and soft. Now, when you're pulling your hair up, if you don't have the hairline tied down, most likely the sideburn area usually lifts for me. So what I do is just take a little bit of that melting spray and I'm just gonna, you know, just glue it back down. But I would recommend using an edge band when pulling the hair up before you do that, so it won't happen. But this is a simple style right here that you can wear. This is style number 1. Alright, so this next style is doing these 2 cute buns. I know a lot of people like their pinup looks. I'm going to use these butterfly clips. Anybody remember these from the 90s? Like, I know this generation probably have never seen them before, but girl, like these used to be the back in the day, okay? I used to love these butterfly clips. So I found them. I will link them on my Amazon storefront. And I was like, these will make a really cute updo style. So this is style number 2. Just adding a little bit of an accessory will just create a simple style. Now you can take this wig to the next level and pull it all the way up into a higher ponytail or a pin-up look. I'm going to show you that right now. And surprisingly, with the hair on this wig, it's the reason why you are able to do that. It's not too thick. So this is another style that I felt like was cute. I just kind of put the hair into a ponytail. And with this style, it's for if you don't want the back of the wig to show, because this is a 13x6 cap, so it has the adjustable strap. You can just put it up like this. And as you can see in the back, it covers the nape, so you don't have to worry about the nape of the wig showing. And it's a simple style that looks like it's in a ponytail, but it's kind of just pinned up. And you have the 2 buns at the top. This actually blew my mind because this is a 13x6 cap. So what I'm doing now is taking all of the hair and pulling it to the top of my head, which I didn't need any hot comb. I didn't need any hair mousse. Notice with all these styles, I don't need any type of styling product. The hair just flows where it wants to go. It's not stuck anywhere. So I'm just pinning the hair at the top. And as you can see, the back, look at that. Look how flawless that looks. I'm only using the comb that's in the back, and I've kind of pinned it in my hair. I'm just going to add another butterfly clip in the back just to make it cute. Like, look at that. So effortlessly styled. So yeah, this is style number 4. This wig will be linked below in the description box. I thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you back in my next video.